Welcome to Ben Talks Money. Here we discuss stocks, investments, ETFs, and personal finance.
SoFi just announced the $1.5 billion stock offering, and the stock is down 7% as of the time of recording. So in this video, we'll take a look at what this means for investors and how you should position yourself to make the most out of this SoFi offering. Hi, welcome back to Ben Talks Money. My name is Ben. I have an MBA in Finance and Management. I've been trading for 8 years. I'm a full-time options trader. So if you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and humbly, please help me get to 4,000 subscribers. I'm close to it, and your subscription will go along with helping me do that. So let's jump in. So SoFi announced this offering, and what's happening is that the stock is dropping. The stock is down about 7%, 7.5%. And what does that mean? What it means is that there's a dilution, right? They are diluting the stock, about 4% dilution into the stock market. So it means that if you own 1% of SoFi as of today, after the offering, you've lost about 4.5% of that value. Okay, so your value is right now 4% less than what you used to have in SoFi company. And the shares that they offered it at around $27.50, and that is exactly where the stock is trading right now. The stock dropped 7% down to the figure, to the number that they value the new stock that they issued, and they issued about 54.55 million new shares. That is how much stock they issued. And what this means is that it affects the stock's momentum, because as a trader or an investor, you don't want to see that. It gives you some kind of form of doubt about the company, right? Companies issues offering for a number of reasons. The main reason is that they need money. But why do they need money? Is it because they're running out of cash? Or is it because they need money for a new acquisition? Is it because they need money for a new project? Or what is going on? That's what we don't know yet. But if SoFi issued this offering because they need money, then that's very bad. But their earnings a couple of weeks ago didn't reflect that. So it makes me think that maybe they issued that offering because they need to raise cash for a new acquisition or for a substantial project that they don't want to delay. That's why they issued the offering. So that being said, it doesn't sound good for investors, as it's obvious in the price action today, the stock market being down almost 8%. What should we do if you have SoFi? Does it mean you should sell? Does it mean you should buy more? Me, for instance, I had some options on it, and now it's down today almost 35%. And it's not good, right? It's not good when you go down for news like this, for a company like SoFi. And this is not the first time they've done this. Earlier this year, back in July, they issued $1.5 million offering, the same amount, right? At that time, they priced it around $20.50. And now, less than 6 months, they've done exactly the same thing. But we haven't heard any major news from SoFi as to new product or anything like that, right? So what's going on? They've issued $3 billion stock offering in 1 year, which is generally not good unless they have something coming up in the pipeline very soon that is going to change everything. That's going to be a game changer for them. Okay, so let's take a look at the daily chart to see where the stock is trading. So if you look at the daily chart, you can see that when the stock opened, it came straight down here to the $27 level, which is a strong area of resistance. You can see it here on the daily chart. It came straight into it, it touched it to the T, and then it started to push back up. It actually went all the way up to almost $28 and it failed. See, the top of the wick here is about almost $28. It got there and then it failed. And it started to retreat with the market, as the market was also retreating. It also retreated, but it's holding the $27 level, which is good. So I added a little bit more to my call options. I added it somewhere around $27. I added more to it, and I'm looking to see if it's going to hold this, right? If it doesn't hold 27, I'll be out, because the next level after that will be about 25.50, and I can't hold that long to that, right? So that's it for the video, just to give you an idea of what is going on with SoFi and this whole offering, and where the company stands and where the stock stands. It's down almost 7.5% right now as of the time of recording. So let's hope there's something coming up with SoFi. Let's hope there's a news that is going to change everything. Let's hope this offering is because of the project that they are doing or a new acquisition that is going to be incredible for the company, just like Robinhood has been doing the entire calendar year. It's been awesome for Robinhood. So let's hope this is what SoFi is trying to do. Let me know your thought in the comment section. What do you think is going on with SoFi? What do you think is the reason why they made this offering? Let me know in the comment section below. And if this video was helpful to you, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. And until next time, let's keep talking money.